Hello, everybody. My name is Alex 10. So good to see you all again. Larry and I are so excited in launching a new way to help people over time to achieve something. We all need a reminder once in a while. And today, I want to share with you a tool that is so powerful to shape the mind easily. And there are other tools that we'll be sharing with you. But today, this tool to shift your mind quickly, to let go of an old habit and to bring in a new one, a new mindset, very quickly and easily. Over the years, actually 11 years ago, I prayed for a tool to help people that I can give them to go home with and do use it every single day. And my guides gave me this powerful tool, really powerful, and I'm so thankful for that. So first, I want to start with a Stinky Spaghetti Story. Okay? So, there's a lady who's about to go on a vacation. She's so excited. And she was packing her bag and she got hungry, lunchtime. So she went down to the refrigerator and opened the refrigerator and saw a plate of spaghetti. She took it out, put it in the microwave, 2 minutes. No problem. So, 2 minutes. And then she went back up to pack her bags. She was going to the Bahamas. She put on the music, the Bahama music, woohoo, Bahama. And she's singing and playing, and she didn't realize the time went by. And all of a sudden she heard, meep, meep, the horn. She looked at the time, oh my God, my friends is ready to pick me up to go to the airport. She ran down, go to the airport, went to the Bahamas. For 2 weeks, she enjoyed herself. Sitting on the beach, drinking the umbrella drink, having so much fun, being pampered and taken care of, enjoying the wonderful sunshine, water and beach. And when she came back home, what do you think she remembers when she put the key in the door? The spaghetti in the microwave. What do you think the spaghetti looks like after 2 weeks in a nice warm weather, humid and everything? What does it look like? Green, what's growing in there? All over the microwave. Should she eat it? No. She should throw it away, yes? Should she throw it in the house or outside the house? Correct. Outside the house. Okay, some people even say throw the whole microwave away. They don't want to deal with it. It's very stinky. So let's forget about the stinky spaghetti. Put it aside outside the house. And let's come back in to your new spaghetti. Recreate the spaghetti that you like. Okay? Fresh ingredients. If you want meat spaghetti or vegetable spaghetti, we're gonna get it fresh. Fresh meat, fresh vegetables, fresh sauce, fresh tomato, fresh cilantro, onions, all of that. Fresh. We cook it fresh on the stove. Put in all the sauce, put in all the ingredients that you like. Let it simmer for 30 minutes. Nice and juicy and flavorful. Cook fresh spaghetti. Okay? And would you like garlic bread too? That's right. Fresh garlic bread. Lots of butter, lots of garlic. Put it in the oven. Do you like Parmesan cheese too? Let's do the fresh one too. Chef Parmesan if you like it. Chef one. So, let's make a plate for you. Take the plate, put the spaghetti on there, put the sauce as much as you like it, sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on it, put the garlic bread, and garnish it with parsley. And how does that smell? Makes you hungry, doesn't it? Does the body feel good? Well, I'm sorry you can't have this. Why? You have to have that stinky spaghetti that's green and gooey and things are growing out of it. And you have to have that. Why do I say that? Can you see how your body feels? It's like, no. Between this one, the fresh one, and the stinky one. Your body immediately feels that. Why do I say this stinky spaghetti you can have only this? It's because in our mind we have old thinking that we've been using over and over and over again, expecting different results, is stinky spaghetti. So you'll understand what I mean when I said it now. We have to throw it outside the house, not in the mind, not in the body, outside the house, outside your mind, outside your body. Understand? Okay. And then we introduce something that you as an adult can create a brand new mindset. New spaghetti that is so delicious. We create a new mindset as an adult, not the mindset that we pick up from along the way as a child. The new mindset, and introduce the mindset into your system. How do we do that, you ask? Good news. That's where my guide gave me the fastest way to shift your mind, the easiest way to shift your mind, and the most powerful way to anchor it. So that's the Stinky Spaghetti Story. And the next thing is, we have to understand our mind, how our mind works. So we think in English language, and when we think about something in the past tense, like yesterday I eat something for breakfast. In the past tense, when we say something in the past tense, what do we mean by that? It's something in the past, yes? Not now, something in the past. And when we say something in the present tense, what do we mean? That means it's happening right here, right now. I'm eating the most delicious breakfast. In the present tense. And when we say something in the future tense, what do we mean? Something that hasn't happened, something that we would like to happen. So I'm going to show you how to put it all together, because when you understand the mind, it is a beautiful mechanism to help you shift quickly. So the sentence that my guide gave me is something very, very simple, and I'm going to show you in a moment how to do it. So let's pick a subject first, okay? The first subject that we want to think of, and while I'm saying this, I want you to be thinking of one subject in your head that you can use with me, that you're gonna experience it today, not tomorrow, today, and you're gonna use it for the rest of your life. But today is very important. So I'm gonna pick a subject that says, I don't get it, I don't understand. You know, it's like, I'm so frustrated, I don't get it, I don't understand. That's an old thinking. And you hear the siren. It's a warning for you. When you say this to yourself, that means if I don't get it, you have just blocked your mind. Your mind is in the present tense, is it not? It's saying to you, I don't get it. So no matter what is being explained, no matter how much you try to figure it out in your head, it gets more frustrating because you already told yourself, I don't get it, or I can't understand. Okay? So what we want to do is, that's an old mindset that we developed somewhere along the line. When people work with me, we actually go into the detail of what do we need to learn from that concept and how to do this. But today we're not going to go all day. Today we're just going to use this mindset to shift something very quickly, to show you the example of how to shift something very quickly. Okay? So the simple way to do this is this. And this is all in a sentence, and I'm going to go more in detail again. You know, I used to think, so it's a past tense. You want to put it in the past tense, so your mind will say, oh, it's in the past, it's not now. I used to think I don't get that person. Or I used to think that I don't understand this thing, or this book, or this material, or this person. Just very gently, I used to think that. And when you say I used to think that, it's in the past tense. So your brain will say, oh yeah, it's in the past. It's not now. So you're putting it outside the house, taking it out of your brain. Okay, and when you also say that, I used to think that, the energy in your body will actually say, oh yeah, that's not now. I don't have to feel it anymore. It's something in the past. How powerful is that? Just by saying this one sentence. Okay, so the next thing that you want to say is, I used to think that I don't get it. I don't get that person. I don't get that thing. I don't understand why. It doesn't matter. I used to think that. and then breathe and relax and feel this new space in your body. The new space. It's like, I'm free now. I don't have that anymore. I used to think that seed going out of your body and going into the ground, throw it in the garbage, the stinky spaghetti. So when you label that thing that says, I don't get it and I don't understand, label it, called this is my stinky spaghetti. When you say that's your stinky spaghetti, ew, you can feel that? Label it. I don't get it. I don't understand. Ew. So your body will actually want to get rid of yours for you too, because it's stinky. Now you see what I'm talking about. When you label that one thing that you say you don't understand or don't get something, it's stinky, your body wants to get rid of it, your mind wants to get rid of it. It's stinky. Now that you have a beautiful space, you take a deep breath and you tell yourself, and now you're introducing a new idea that you choose today. So while I'm talking to you, I want you to be thinking, what new idea I want to introduce? If I get rid of that one idea that I have, what new idea I want to introduce today? So the new idea could be as simple as this. And now I can understand things clearly. And now I can see. And we're going to upgrade that in a moment, but just start off with this first thing here. So this whole sentence is this. I used to think I don't understand or don't get that. And now I can understand things, I can see things. So you want to be able to feel the new thing, but let's upgrade it first before you feel it, okay? So the first thing you want to do is feel the stinky spaghetti leaving your body. I used to think I don't get it. I see the frustration, the disappointment, the confusion, the thinking. I used to think that. I no longer need it. Throw it out of my house. And now, I choose to upgrade my thinking. And now, I choose to understand people. And like I said, we upgrade it first and then we're going to feel it. And now, my mind is open. My eyes are open. My ears are open to see, hear, or even understand what I want to understand or get what I want to get. So now, you want to put it in a very simple statement, and now I'm open to understand that thing. So we're going to do this. I used to think I don't get it, I don't understand. The old frustration is in the garbage. Stinky spaghetti. And I'm introducing a brand new spaghetti that is so fresh that my body loves. A brand new idea that is so fresh. And now, from the future that hasn't happened, you're going to bring it into the present, into your body. And now, I choose to open my mind. Feel your mind opening up. I choose to hear. Feel your ears opening up. I choose to see and clearly understand what I want to understand now and get what I want to get from the materials that I want to study, from the things that I want to understand, from the people that I want to understand. And now feel for yourself the new thing, the new fresh spaghetti. And now my mind is open. And when I look at that person that I want to understand, from this fresh mind, it's like so clear. My eyes can see the body language. And now my ears can hear their language. And my mind is open. And let's upgrade even one more. And now my mind is so clear and so open. As when I look at that thing or that person or read that thing, my mind will not only get the answer from that person, but also from the universe, helping me understand that one thing. My mind is open and I understand clearly And I can see why he's doing what he's doing, or why I'm doing what I'm doing. All that will be clear. So I want you to practice this. Say it to yourself, your one sentence, and upgrade it. People who work with me in the advanced class will go upgrade very high. Okay? But right now, I want you to just do this. So it's your turn to do it. Just say something as simple as that. I used to think. Pick that subject that you have said. Pick. And see it going away. And see it as a stinky spaghetti on the plate going outside the house into the garbage can. I used to think. Just let it go. And from this new space, introduce your new idea that is so fresh and refreshing that you develop as an adult, that you choose your new way of thinking. And now, I'm so open to understand and get it. And feel how refreshing it feels. You're one thing, and now introduce the thing that you pick. Upgrade it, and now it is so clear to me. I can see so fast what I didn't get before and what I get now. It is so clear to me why people do what they do. I clearly understand. Feel how powerful it feels to you, how relaxed it feels to you, how refreshing it is to you. I want you to use this one thing for today and enjoy it and get the results right away. We will be introducing a lot of powerful tools for you guys here inside this website and inside this membership. And I will show other powerful tools that's so fast and easy to shift into a new, fun, and prosperous life. And for those of you who have heard this is a reminder for you to use it again. Those people who have worked with me, this is a powerful reminder to use these present tools. And that's why we created the membership site, so that over time we remind you on using it, not just on one subject that we don't understand. It could be the fear of spider, it could be I'm frustrated in traffic, it could be like nobody gets me. Okay, it could be something like that. And we shift that, we go into detail, we show you how to shift that, and I'll upgrade you very, very high inside the membership and do things like that. So there's a lot of other tools that we have it over there, and I'm inviting you to join me to create a fun and prosperous life. Go to our website, we have all the details. The last email, I've already told you all the details. Not only do we have that, we introduce fun events, fun activities, and I'm gonna be coaching you guys. Larry's gonna be coaching you guys. We have platform over there that we can provide for you guys to have a consistent result. So welcome to your fun and prosperous life. Click on the button below and looking forward to see you soon. Namaste.